Hey, and welcome back to the channel. Oh, new subscribers, wonderful comments, great, whatever, whatever. You never know what you're gonna find here. It's always a little different, a little strange. Sometimes it's normal, whatever that is. Anyway, it's just me in the bunker doing my own thing. I'm what you call a minimalist, but I use modern technology, dude. That's the thing, right? So anyway, what are we going to ponder on today? What do you think? Well, what do you say we cook something? Well, there's only a few. You can count them on your hand, maybe two hands, of things I like to eat, and to rotate them through and make them all exciting, and a little different. Sometimes it's challenging, to come up with some other weird stuff, but I mean, I don't eat iguana and things all the time. So what do you say? Let's make a normal breakfast meal using the same stuff, but let's do it a little different. How's that grab you? So say it with me. Let's go to the lab and make breakfast not boring. How's that grab you? All right. Here on the bench, let's start with sausage patties. How's that grab you for something different and unusual? Wow, hit him with the smoking hot pan. Forgot. Anyway, didn't hurt it. Maybe a little carcinogen on there a little bit, but that's all right. That's all right. We'll calm it down. The meat's already pretty much pre-cooked in a way. It's not raw. It's kind of weird, but these are the McMuffins and things, sausage patties they use. So you pop that on the thing, you make yourself a deal. So, pretty okay. Pretty okay. And again, sausage in a tube, sausage in pieces and squares and rounds and whatever. Beautiful. It's okay with me. All right. I do a lot of carnivore until I don't. Right? I make really, really good whole wheat bread toast stuff, and I know what's in it, so I'm really not upset if I have a peanut butter and jelly sandwich with my toast. Oh, look at that. I'm not gonna go with everything in one pan meal for a while. I'm not up for that's fine and everything, but no. Oh, these eggs, yeah, they're Wally World, yay, send me a buck. Anyway, it's what I have, and they're better than nothing, right, or whatever. It's protein, it's fine. They taste okay. Look into the difference between range fed and all those different feedings and chickens and stuff. Yeah, okay. I didn't want to have any kind of a fried egg, where the edges are crispy and the bottom is crispy. And that's a true fried egg. I didn't want a fried egg this time. But let's look at these sausage overhead. Yeah, okay. Yeah, show me hitting them with the blast heat. My bad. But it's fine. And then the sauce, there was a little too big to put 3 in a pan, so it's like, okay, we'll do a total of 4. Now the pan's all calmed down. They're already pre-cooked for the most part. It's not raw pink, sow flesh or whatever. So pretty okay. Yeah, look at that. We're really cooking here, ladies and gentlemen. Yeah. And I prefer lard. And sometimes butter. But butter's tricky because of the milk fat and all that kind of stuff. But lard, always a good go-to. It's bacon grease, ladies and gentlemen. So when you fry your bacon, you just pour it off into a can, and you got what I cook with right here. Look at that. Now see these pitiful eggs. It's just seems like there's a lot of water. Look at that. It's like, come on, guys. Oh, look how yolk is so yellow. Well, really, it should be a little orange, to be honest. It shouldn't be that yellow, okay? That's a look into that. That's a whole nother rabbit hole. Anyway, and thanks again for popping in. Look at that. Now it's getting better, getting better. My chest cold, yes, wonderful, thank you. A little bit of steamage. Some people put a little water around in there. Nah, I'm fine. This is, again, I eat this kind of food all the time, so I don't have to sweat anything. I just don't like burning anything. You know, that's dreadful. Dreadful. Look at that. Anyway, thumbs up. You can leave comments. I don't care. Look at this. Nice. I'm getting ready to I'm getting hungry watching this. Oh, I love that mat thing right there. Oh, it keeps it from sliding around, dude. Look at that. Yeah. What's that? Lard. Sure, it's cheap, it's good, it's fine. Yeah, there's the other egg. So it looks like we're going to have two. That has a little bit better water content. You see, it's not all spreading around nasty. That's pretty good. Oh, look at that, ladies and gentlemen. Wow. What is that? That's right. I got some homemade toast, whole wheat toast with 2 sausage patties and an egg on. Look at that. Oh, my goodness. Yes, indeedy. Oh, my. How's that for a little something different for breakfast? But it's still the same breakfast, right? Would you eat that? How about that, huh? And you know what? Yes. Yes, I would. And you know what? I do. Oh, very nice. Look at this. Take a little walk around the park here, kind of. Wow. Wow. So leave feedback, ideas, comments, whatever you want to do. Thanks for popping in. This meal was actually pretty good. The sausage was really, really, really different. Nice taste. It really was. Tell you what, I'm out of here.